Hi guys, I had my lunch and near to the end of the green corridor, and I'm at the Blair Road Spottywood Park area. So we're going to cycle through here while making my way back. And this area is actually a patch of shophouses, and they were actually gazetted to for conservation in 1991. So currently they were actually old shophouses, but after the conservation process, they are refurbished and then they look new, and actually some of them were turned into offices. A few maybe residential, and then there's also some cafes. So this area here is quite unique in terms of heritage. So we're gonna cycle through and take a look. Let's go! There's a little cafe here called Little Part 1 Cafe. Looks nice, right? So these are old shophouses, built pretty, I guess, quite many years ago. I can't remember the year exactly, but the government didn't demolish them and decided to conserve them turn them into either for office as well as also for residential. So on the right hand side you can see some of this actually, some of the shophouses has got the pretty nice, I would say, peranakan tiles, yep, on the floor as well as on the wall. Yeah, take a look. Oh, I found a wall mural. I've seen quite a number of cyclists post this, so I'm going to take a picture here with my Pikes. This is Spottywood Park section. This is a private condo. So this is one small stretch. We're gonna turn back and check out the other shophouses. Okay. No car here. Quickly turn. Yeah. So this is Spottywood Park Road, Spottywood Park Road, and then in front on the right is Everton Road. On my left is Blair Road. So basically this three stretch here were conserved, and you can see the government tried to maintain the original look, but with a new paint colors and the heritage or cultural look of it. Yeah, look at this one. The door is nice. Yeah. Okay. I believe some of these are office, and they are also residential. Yep. It's a small stretch, so we have to turn back to take a look at the rest. is the front part. These shophouses consist of 2 to 3 stories. The front part here has got a car park area for cars to drive in, so it's slightly bigger than the ones at the back. Another cafe. Okay, just now we were here, right? Okay, going down towards Everton Road. Just now we were here, so we are going to the right side because just now we went to the left. We are along Everton Road. Oh, okay, that's the end. Here you go. Gonna make our way back to the train station. So I'm gonna turn back this way. Another wall mirror here, so I'm gonna take a picture with my bicycle. See you guys next time in the next video. Bye bye, take care.